Hey, it's me. I'm back. Had a request from Facebook today from one of my friends, Joan Hubble. Hey, Joan, how you doing? Joan wanted to know. Her name's not Joan. She wanted to know how the face cleaners compare to just using washcloth with water. So we're gonna find out. We're gonna do half the face with a washcloth with water, and the other half I'll use the number 7 just to do a comparison. I don't know how this is going to turn out because I've never done this before. So this is like groundbreaking stuff here. I actually had turned on the water before I turned on the camera because they had to turn our water off today. We've been having all these troubles with like pipes busting in the parking lot, and yeah, it's like seems like every few months we go through this. So the contractor was out here today and they turned the water off sometime after I went to work. So somewhere around, I leave for work before 7. So I think I got the text about 8 something that the water was turned off, and the water just came back on at like 5:25. So I had to let the water run and get the air out of the pipes and everything. So let's see how this works. So I'm going to get some water going, and first thing I'll do one side with just the washcloth in the water, and again we'll go back in with the micellar water and the Lancome to see what's left, and then the other side obviously we'll do the number 7, see what happens. I love science experiments. Joan used to teach science, so she's, you know, it's all about the science experiment. Ow! Do not try this at home. Okay. So just a white washcloth and warm water. Got a lot of makeup on today. Got a lot of zittage going on. Yeah. Got a lot of stuff going on at work. Trying to get it done, and I think it's like coming out in my skin. So I'll try to do a foundation today. I'll talk about that later. So, well, let's do just a couple more swipes just to like give everything a fair shake. Okay, so that's what I got off with just the water and the washcloth. My face doesn't feel very clean now. It feels kind of gross. So let's go in with a little, I don't know why I always shake the micellar water. Like, it doesn't do anything. It just makes it sudsy or foamy. Yes, I blend my makeup down my neck. Just, you know, so I don't get that nasty ring. Yeah, sorry. Can't really see it well. Whoa. It feels like there's a lot of gunk on there. Ugh. Okay, and let's do the Lancome. I also didn't wear as much like dark eye makeup today. I used some lighter colors. Put more on there. So I won't have as much eye makeup today. There's some stuff on there. Honestly, I don't know how much I really put on this morning, so probably not as comparable as yesterday. Alright, so let's go back with the number 7. Try not to burn myself this time. Should not be left unsupervised. Get my face sweat really quick. Oh, diggity dog. big mess. Oh well. All right. Ah, shoot. Didn't get enough. All right, here we go. Scrub. Hey, I need to go see like Dr. Pimple Popper here. I got some my normal stuff that keeps coming back. Won't go away. Okay. Okay, so let's hold on here. Looking rough. So that is with the number 7. And that is with the just the water and the washcloth. It looks like a lot of the oh, my contour is on there. This one seems to like break it down a little more. I don't know, because it just kind of emulsifies it and just slides down, so it's broken down a little bit more. The side of my face feels a lot softer than this side. This side's kind of like, I don't know, it feels like there's something there. So let's try. Whoop. Be fair here. Oh yeah, that side, I have to take this down. Excuse my nasty bathroom. That's with the washcloth, and that's the micellar water with the number 7. So yeah, a lot less left on my skin. Sorry. Whoa. Okay, let's try. Yeah, I don't think I got that much mascara on this morning. So, really nothing left on there. So, if I was going to give my honest, unscientific opinion, I definitely would think that using the cleanser, it's taking a little bit more off. My face feels softer, like a little more, I don't know, just softer and not as raw. Like this side just feels, I don't know, it's kind of like grimy. I don't know. Not really raw. Like this side just feels soft and conditioned. This side just feels like I just wiped everything down but didn't put any good stuff back on there. I don't know if that makes any sense at all. I do have another product to try. I haven't tried it yet at all. It's also another makeup like cleansing balm. It came in my Sephora Play box, and it's the Pharmacy. I have to be like the YouTubers here. Pharmacy Green Clean, which I wanted to try this, but it's really expensive at Sephora, which is why I tried the other stuff. So it smells really good. You have smell-o-vision. Yeah, you can't smell this. It doesn't have much of a scent. It's like a really kind of a clean, just light that you just initially smell. But again, it's really expensive at Sephora, so I obviously wasn't going to go to Sephora and try this just right off. but I did get it in my Sephora Play box over the weekend, so I'll give it a shot and see how it compares. I think it's going to be kind of comparable. I did say I was trying some different foundation. You know, I am a Bare Minerals girl, not compensated by Bare Minerals. This is foundation. Well, it's not actually, it's called Colors from The Ordinary. And you can order it online. It's US $6.90 for 1 fluid ounce. Comparable would be the Bare Minerals Bare Pro, which is also 1 ounce, and this is US $34. Same amount of foundation, just obviously different packaging. This is glass, this is plastic. It's a really, really good foundation though. For $6.90, it's good. It's a medium to full coverage, has a lot of pigmentation in it. It's kind of been like the big thing on the internet. They kind of like, I guess when they first launched, that they thought they would only have like 250,000, like they didn't think they would have as many orders as they did, and they actually had so many orders they were back ordered for like a month or two. I've been able to get stuff within about a week after ordering, so the back ordering is obviously slowed down. They've caught up to what they were doing. So yeah, if you want to give it a little look on the internet, it's called The Ordinary. Just put in like The Ordinary Foundation or Ordinary Colors. They are from Canada, but they do have a site here in the United States, I think, where they ship from, but they are a Canadian company. That wasn't funny. Sorry to all my Canadian friends out there. So yep, nice little science experiment today. Thanks, Joan. Also, Joan asked me about, am I worried about eye infections and like getting this stuff in my eye and then like eye infections from makeup? I wear contacts, and I'm always worried about getting an eye infection, so I'm kind of hyper vigilant about making sure I get everything off. I also, let me show you, when I need a better setup. Where is that at? When I buy my foundation, when I buy mascara, I buy the small tubes. You can get these at Sephora. They're up by the cash register. Yeah, this lighting stinks. These are smaller tubes. They're about half the size of a normal tube, and they cost about half as much. Because I know that if I got an eye infection, I wouldn't feel so bad about tossing this out as I would a normal sized tube of mascara that's going to cost me like $24 to $36. I can't even believe I said that. Also, I'm very vigilant about washing my brushes. I wash my brushes at least once a week, sometimes twice. I do a lot of quick change in between, which I know probably won't kill much of the bacteria. It does kill some, but I use those, and also obviously washing them with soap and water, like warm water, at least once a week, just to keep any risk of eye infections really, really low. So yeah, it's very important. Always wash your brushes at least once a week. Toss things like mascara. I wouldn't keep a mascara more than 3 months. I think the time, if they say 6 months on here, actually, people, your makeup does have expiration dates. Please follow them. I try not to keep anything too long, just because I don't want to have an infection, especially in my eyes, and you don't want any infections on your face. It's bad enough that I do get these nice little friends here, but I think by keeping my makeup brushes clean, it really, really, really helps. So that's what I know. Fun little science experiment today. Thanks for being patient. Post any questions or comments below. I'll be happy to try things out. Working on my setup here. You know, when I'm a fancy, famous YouTuber, you can be like, I knew her when. And shout out to Yonavan over in Aruba. Bandia dushi, bantardi dushi, banochi dushi. You are solidly in the top 1. You are number 1. Shalene, I think you might be number 2. Number 2, yeah. But I love my dushis down in Aruba. Lots of love to all of my peoples. Be blessed. Have a great day. Tomorrow's Wednesday. Yeah. I'll talk to you later. Bye.